Hello, everyone. It's another state that we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about New Jersey. So let's start with our pictures. Not too many here, but we will take a look. So as you wander along some Cape May beaches, you might be lucky enough to find quartz pebbles called Cape May diamonds. So this is a popular beach area in New Jersey. It's very pretty. There we go. And we've got some pileated woodpeckers. Usually make a nesting hole in a large older tree. They're cute. There's the New Jersey flag. It is a beige color. It's kind of interesting. And then the center is the state seal in the center, and then just beige. Here are the symbols. We have the horse is the state animal. Some of you like that, I'm sure. State bird, eastern goldfinch. State flower, common violet. And then there's the state quarter, which is very exciting, and says Crossroads of the Revolution. Do you know what that is? That is the famous painting, which I have a print of that in our classroom. And that's the crossing of the Delaware, because it happened in New Jersey. So I really hope I still get to go see that this summer, but we'll see. Okay, let's get out of there and let's talk about the history and the facts of New Jersey. So some fast facts. The nickname is the Garden State. Statehood was 1787, the third state. Population as of July 2016 was 8,944,469. The capital is Trenton. Biggest city is Newark. Abbreviation is NJ. State bird is eastern goldfinch. State flower, common violet. So their history. The first people came to the area that's now New Jersey at least 12,000 years ago. Thousands of years later, Native American tribes, including the Lenape, Munsee or Mincy, and Unalaktigo, lived on the land. Around 1524, Italian explorer Giovanni de Verrazzano became the first European to arrive in the region. Then Swedish, Finnish, and Dutch colonists built settlements and fought over land until England took control of the region in 1664. New Jersey became one of 13 American colonies ruled by the British. But eventually the colonists living here wanted independence. This led to the American Revolution, which began in 1775. New Jersey was the site of more Revolutionary War battles than any other state. In 1776, George Washington crossed the Delaware River into Trenton, New Jersey, where he defeated British forces. The battle was a turning point in the war as one of the first major military victories in the Revolutionary War. In 1787, New Jersey became the third U.S. state and the first to sign the Bill of Rights. Why is it called that? The state was named in honor of British colonist George Carteret, who'd previously been governor of the Isle of Jersey, a British island in the English Channel, between the United Kingdom and France. New Jersey was nicknamed the Garden State in 1876 because of the huge amount of food grown there during that time. There are the symbols in the flag again. Geography and landform. So first of all, take a look. You see the little snippet of the state of New Jersey. There it is. So if we had our map that we could highlight in, as we normally do, we would be highlighting that. New Jersey is bordered by Pennsylvania and New York in the north, Pennsylvania in the west, Delaware and Delaware Bay in the south, the Atlantic Ocean in west, and Long Island, a part of New York, in the east. It can be divided into 4 different geographical regions. The Atlantic Coastal Plain, which features low hills, pine forests, and salt marshes, sweeps across the southern 3/5 of the state. This area includes the Barrier Islands, which have sandy beaches. Northeast of the coastal plain is the 20-mile-wide Piedmont, where the Hudson, Passaic, Ramapo, and Raritan rivers they cross. This region has rolling hills and narrow valleys, and it's where most of the state's major cities are located. Toward the west is the New England upland, also called the Highlands. This area has flat-topped rock ridges and many lakes. The Appalachian Ridge and Valley is a mountainous region in New Jersey's northwest corner. It includes the Kittatinny Mountains and the Delaware Water Gap, an opening created when the Delaware River cut through the Appalachian Mountains millions of years ago. Wildlife. New Jersey's mammals include black bears, bobcats, red foxes, raccoons, and Tuckahoe maskshrews, which are similar to moles. Red-bellied woodpeckers, chickadees, northern cardinals, and American goldfinches, the state bird, are common birds here. The state is home to reptiles such as spotted turtles, five-lined skinks, and coastal plain milk snakes, marbled salamanders, red-spotted newts, and New Jersey chorus frogs are among its amphibians. The state's many trees include sugar maple, American chestnut, flowering dogwood, pitch pine, and American elm, black-eyed Susans, orange daylilies, Queen Anne's lace, and violets, the state flower, are some of the wildflowers that grow here. Natural resources. New Jersey has plenty of granite, sand, and graveling for mining, and is a leader in seafood production, particularly clams harvested off the coast. Fun stuff. New Jersey celebrities include U.S. President Grover Cleveland, the only president born in New Jersey, astronaut Buzz Aldrin, author Judy Blume, and performer Frank Sinatra. Inventor Thomas Edison's early light bulbs, phonographs, and laboratory equipment are on display at Menlo Park Museum in the town where Edison worked. At Washington Crossing State Park in Trenton, visitors can see where George Washington and his army crossed the Delaware River and launched a successful attack on the Hessians, soldiers fighting for the British Army. And hopefully I'll get to go there. In the 19th century, southern New Jersey remained largely agricultural, while the northern part of the state rapidly industrialized. And that is it. There is no bird video. I'm sorry about that. But I believe our next state that we'll be looking at will, so I will definitely post that. So I hope that this information was helpful. I will also put up a picture of the book, the fun book that I have, and then probably run through that with you. I'm not sure if I'll do a video or just do a voice memo of it like I did last time, but hopefully that that will work for you guys. And I'll let you know of any other fun facts that aren't mentioned. So anyway, hope you had fun learning about New Jersey, and I will be talking to you guys soon. All right.